Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am sharing with you guys my this is kind of like a nighttime cleaning routine that's very relaxing. But before I begin, I wanted to tell you guys, you will notice in the video my pants are dirty. I didn't notice it until I was done filming. Before I started filming, I was sitting outside and I saw it on the grass and I did not realize how dirty it was. I thought I cleaned it off, but well, you can have a good laugh now. So let's go ahead and get started. So on this day, the kids have brought up a lot of toys. So instead of me going back and forth, I decided to use my laundry basket and I collected everything in there, and I was able to transport that to the playroom much easier. Just a little tip for you guys, laundry baskets are not just for laundry. So yeah, here I'm just literally just putting away everything that we had taken out. This storage cabinet is amazing. I've already started just putting stuff in there. Soon I'm gonna need to organize it because I put everything in there, the kids' toys, notebooks, everything. You will find everything in there. So here I am just wiping it off. It got quite dusty, and with it being white you can actually see it, and I had little spots that the kids had put on top of it, so it definitely needed a good wipe. The living room was not that dirty, but my coffee table definitely needed a good clean. I had some glass and cup stains on the top, but the bottom was very dusty, so it needed a good wipe, and I am using my method cleaner. Oh, look at that right there. You could see how dirty my pants are. Oh, this is so embarrassing, but hey, it is what it is. I had to get my work done. So anyways, here I'm just dusting the fireplace as well. I'm using the same cleaner and a microfiber cloth. I can't say enough about the microfiber cloths. You already know, you've heard it all before. They're the best. I absolutely love waking up to a nice and clean home. I love waking up and the kitchen is done, it's clean, and the living room is clean, everything is in its place. It just makes me feel so happy, and I feel like it just makes my day, and I don't have to stress about cleaning right away. So that's why I love nighttime cleaning, especially when the kids go to bed. I find it so therapeutic for me. Sometimes, even when I'm not filming, my husband would ask me why I'm cleaning so late at night, but I just love it. It makes me feel, I don't know, accomplished, I guess, and the feeling of just waking up to a clean house is just amazing.
Round and round the rodeo, breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin with. On and on and on it goes, swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute.
The dining table was so dirty. You can't really see it on camera, but I had to scrub so hard. The kids had spilled so much food on there. As you can see, we got rid of the high chair. Logan is now sitting at the table with us. I separated his high chair, and the top just fits perfectly on our normal chair, and he's been so good with it. I thought for a second he will probably hate it and want to go back to his high chair, but we've been doing this for a couple days now, and he's loving it. He's used to it. He just enjoys being with everybody now instead of him sitting off to the side.
Why don't we all calm down?
I normally prefer to vacuum, especially the dining room area, because I feel like the vacuum just sucks up all the little particles, like food particles, better than me sweeping. But it was at nighttime, so I couldn't use the vacuum, and yeah, I had to sweep up all the floors on this night. Usually I sweep the kitchen, but the rest of the house I prefer to just go ahead and vacuum.
What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the picture, sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah.
Now I was moving to the kitchen and I started off by loading the dishwasher. For once I wasn't unloading it because I had actually done a better job during the day to make sure that it was ready to go to be loaded throughout the day. So yay, points for me. But yeah, I always have leftover dishes to wash with my hands, and I try so hard to overstuff the dishwasher, but it never works. So I constantly go back and forth rearranging to be sure that everything fits. My camera was losing focus so much throughout this video for some reason, and I do apologize for that because it doesn't look too pleasant just staring at the screen going back and forth, but I hope I will get it fixed. I'm gonna learn how to fix this because I notice it does happen quite often.
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings, but now I shine with your reflection on me. I'm getting back up on my feet. That you showed up was written in the...
Once I was done with the dishes, I went ahead and I put away all the stuff that did not belong in the kitchen, and also started off by cleaning off the surfaces as well. My stove was so dirty. I need my little scraper and I still can't find it at Walmart. I don't know if they're just out of stock, but I gave in and I ordered it from Amazon. It just ended up being the same price as the one at Walmart because that little scraper is a lifesaver for me.
You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. Yes, I'm the winner, yeah. 'Cause I'm the winner, yes. Am I awake or am I dreaming? So far gone, I won't look back. And when I move, there ain't no stopping me. You're pushing me up to the top. I saw the clouds looking angry, but then the sky reached my mind. And when I space out, I see the possibilities unfolding the way that I want. That you showed up was written in the palm. You are a statement.
Once everything that needs to be hand washed is done, I wash my sink, and this is probably my favorite thing to do. Honestly, there's nothing like a clean sink. I don't think so. I love it. I just love to see it shine. I'm sure a lot of you guys do too. I'm not the only one. Please tell me I'm not the only one. But anyways, yeah, washing the sink and just seeing it nice and shiny again is very, very satisfying for me.
You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. Yes, I'm the winner, yeah. 'Cause I'm the winner, yes.
One of the things that I love to do, maybe like once a month, just to be sure that I deodorize my sink, I will use some vinegar, some baking soda, and the Dawn dish soap, and fill up the sink with very, very hot water and just let it sit there. It also cleans the sink, but once it goes down the drain, it's also cleaning the drain. I know some people put in like Coke they just poured Coke in there, and that's supposed to also help with the smell, because we all know the sink can get pretty stinky with all the food that goes down. So yeah, I do that about once a month just to be sure that it's being deodorized.
Every day, 'cause I own it. I'm fighting all of my life. I'm bad and I know it. If I could just be a little better, maybe you could be my salvation out of here.
So I only had a little bit to hand wash my knives and the little pot, which I do prefer to hand wash anyways, because I heard that the dishwasher can dull up your knives very quickly. So if you want your knives to last a little longer and be sharp a little longer, hand washing is the best way, and also your pots and pans.
Let's sleep beneath the big blue moon. Yeah, yeah. Summer days, they will be over soon. Nothing else could be like me and you. Let's stay beneath the big blue moon. Yeah, yeah. I can get it off. We are never done. I'm Juliet, baby, you are like the sun. Pour out your love, pull me to the top. Let me hear the champagne burst and pop. 'Cause as long as you are here, I'll be living love and wild and free. I can get it off, pull me to the top. Let me hear the champagne burst and pop. Cause as long as you are here with me, I'll be living love and wild and free. I can get it off, pull me to the top. Let me hear the champagne burst and pop.
Once I was done sweeping the kitchen, which was the last place for me to sweep, I wanted to go ahead and also take out the recycling that I had collected. I like to collect them all at once and just take them all at once. So I wanted to go ahead and do that before I started mopping.
I see you only when you're ballin'.
It was a quick cleaning, quick mopping, so I was just using my Swiffer wet jet here for all the floors. If I do have time, I like to use my spin mop and just really deep clean the floors, but on this night it was just quick and simple, and I just wanted to make sure all the floors were clean, so that's what I went ahead and I did. Here I am just trying to unclog one of the holes for the mop. It would not allow the water to come out, so I figured there was something in there, and I used the toothpick and I got it running again.
Waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I don't wanna seem to shaky. Oh no, like I'm sudden but I'm steady. Oh no, and they tell me to move on 'cause I deserve more, but still I wanna choose you. Yeah, I'll choose. You know exactly how to look like this, holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this.
Alright guys, this was my last place to mop. So before I end the video, I just wanted to go ahead and say thank you for watching, and if you are new and you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my future uploads. And also if you would like, please introduce yourself in the comments down below. I would love to meet all of you guys. And yeah, thank you so much for your support and for coming back every time I upload. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!